Hey, it's Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how to install a speed bleeder on your motorcycle. For today's installation, we're going to be using this Triumph Thruxton. The installation is going to be basically the same for most motorcycles. And you may ask, why do I want this speed bleeder? Well, it makes bleeding and maintaining your brakes much, much easier. It basically looks like the bleeder screw that you already have in your brake caliper. There's a fancy little one-way valve in there. So generally, you would pump your brake lever and then crack open the nut, the little bleeder, really quickly, open and close it, letting air and fluid out. Keep repeating that same process, but you have to try to kind of stretch across your motorcycle to do that. The speed bleeder has a little fancy one-way valve in there, so you just open this a quarter, back it off. You can pump your fluid, it'll let fluid out. When you stop pumping, it'll stop. You don't have to reach down there and tighten it back because of the little fancy check valve. Now I will say, this is a maintenance item. If you have a completely dry brake system, this probably isn't gonna work that well. You need some fluid in here. We are changing ours live with fluid in there, so we're gonna do it as quickly as we can, and then we'll bleed the brake down if we need to and add our fluid back. For today, we're just gonna be starting with a 10mm wrench. All the tools we use, we'll put in the description down below. Let's get to work. I'm just gonna take my 10mm, my paper towel. I'm gonna try not to get brake fluid on as many things as I can. I'm gonna take this out as quickly as I can. Then I'm going to thread our new one in there, thread it all the way down until it stops. Now that we have the bleeder installed, we're gonna clean up any brake fluid that came out of there. We're gonna bleed the brake, meaning we're gonna back it off a quarter turn, and we're gonna pump that brake handle. Now, for bonus points here, if you want less cleanup, you can take a clear piece of hose and a bottle and attach it. That way it catches all that fluid. It's not running all over your caliper. I'm gonna attach our little hose here. I'm going to back this off a quarter turn, and then I'm gonna pump the brake lever until I have pressure, close it up, and we should be done. That was a good one, wasn't it? Got a good solid stream. And I just dumped all our fluid over everything. After that, you just need to make sure you check your reservoir up top, make sure you still have enough fluid. Ours is perfectly fine. If you don't, just add a little fluid. And there you have it. A great way to bleed and maintenance your brakes without the hassle bouncing back and forth all over your motorcycle. If you like what you see here and you want some more information, go ahead and click that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That'll take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and see more specs about the speed bleeder. Still have questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Go work on those motorcycles.